Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Say hi. Fail. Fail. Baby.
This is eye.
Oh, where is the eye?
This is eye.
Jollibee there.
But this is the eye. This is the eye. This is the eye. This is it.
See? Baby. Papasok na po kami dito sa Angelfields Nature Sanctuary and makikita nyo na malaki talaga yung entrance niya and yung driveway, and as well as if you can see on the left side, yan yung parking area. Bale po pala pag papasok kayo sa may right side po kasi yung exit is on the left, kaya bumalik ulit kami kasi na wrong turn po kami. So this is the main entrance of Angelfields and / parking area. This is also a driveway. Now, you have to make sure na pag hinayaan yung tumakbo-takbo yung mga kids nyo dyan, we have to take a look at them too. Kasi, of course, it's our responsibility as parents din na check natin sila while they are enjoying the environment and the view. And you can see naman po that while waiting for your turn to get inside the resto, you can let your kids run. And yan, na-enjoy ng kid ko talaga yung area and as well as the breeze. Ito po, papasok kami dito sa may viewing deck. And yan, ayaw na magpubod ng baby ko kasi nag-enjoy siya. Yan, ito po yung makikita nyo once you're on the second floor. Talagang mahangin, ang ganda ng view. It's so refreshing. Ayan, yung baby ko enjoy na enjoy. Takbo siya ng takbo. But we're also taking extra careful din kasi nga this is also a driveway, as I've mentioned again earlier. We have to take a look at our kids and be responsible. Ayan, so finally, it's our turn. Natawag na yung name namin. Ito na po yung papasok sa restaurant. Hi, Daddy! So this is the inside of the restaurant, Cocina Bernardo. I highly recommend their beef Angus salpicao. Talagang super sarap niya. Ayan, so pwede na tayong lumabas dito. And may mga tables din po sa labas. But the restaurant is still practicing social distancing, kaya limited lang po yung taong pwedeng pumasok. You can see, there are ponds here na pwede kang mag-feed ng ducks, ng chicken, ayan, mag-picture-picture. And you can also buy 1 cup of yung mga pinapakain po sa chicken for only 10 pesos. So, ito na yung area kung saan nandun yung mga pabo, nandun yung mga chicken din. Pwede po kayo magpakain dyan. And you can run around. Your kid can run around. Tara, pasukin natin. Yan. So, pauwi na kami kasi kanina pa bad mood na yung baby ko. Pagod na.